Let's start the work, please. Again, I sent the link. Now I'm not going to wait. Now look at next question. You people are going to solve this question. Is very important question. Many times, see, they may give a new format question this time, because same question repeating. Means students are knowing how to solve the question. So definitely there will be some change in the question format. So you be very acquainted, like some changed question will come, because last year also we saw the question paper. The total trend was very shaky. So now write this question: secant 4 theta minus secant square theta. Okay, Ritvijan, good evening, good afternoon. So here secant 4 theta minus secant square theta equal to tan 4 theta plus tan square theta. Okay, try to solve this question. Come on, go for it, please. Try this question, please. Nice question. I should ask this question from you. Aapcon. You are asking me Aapcon. Nice, good. Come on, everyone, start solving the question, please. Inform in the group that class started and start attempting the questions. Secant 4 theta minus secant square theta equal to tan 4 theta plus tan square theta. Any idea how to solve this question? हम फाइनल रिवीजन कर रहे हैं, हम भी पढ़ चुके हैं ये सब. ले लेंगे. नहीं करना. इतना लोड मत लो, टाइम वेस्ट होगा. 2 लाइन का क्वेश्चन है. साइन कॉस्ट लेके टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करना? नो नीड. Chalo, nobody send the question answer, so I am going to solve this question. First, LHS you take. See, sine is not needed here. Secant square and secant 4 and secant square is there. First, you see what is the lowest degree, beta? The lowest degree is secant square. So take secant square theta. Here, what it will become? Secant square theta minus 1. Done. Now, since you write secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Identity when we will use. So here we are going to use this. Secant square theta will become, say fast. Here this secant square theta minus 1 will directly become tan square theta. And this part will become what? 1 plus tan square theta story over. Multiply, it will become tan square theta plus tan 4 theta, and that equal to RHS proved. I rest my case. Understood? So this is what? That's it. 2 line question. So why we are going to waste time that much? So here only one work. If you will use the identity formula, yes, if you will use the identity formula very nicely, you will not stuck. Understood or not? So you need to have that. Okay, fine, this step is needed, and after that this step is needed. And whenever you are taking any steps, just you write as an indication that this you have done. Taking secant square common is no need to write. But after that, what format? Because secant square theta converted into Maha. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Please kindly join the session as fast as possible. I informed everybody, be present, because after 2 days, there will be a massive test for all of you. You need to get full mark in that test. That's the only possibility. Less marks means hanged. Full trigonometry, inclusive, because sample paper, before sample paper test, I need to check how much you people are ready for trigonometry. Understood? ऑनलाइन वालों के लिए भी ओके करवा लेंगे, कोई बड़ा बात नहीं है. एक ग्रुप बना लो आप लोग, हम वहां पे क्वेश्चन भेज देंगे. ठीक है, कम ऑन. डे यू राइट 20, आई थिंक मोस्ट probably 23rd only. Everything is ready, but online children, most probably online children also I will call for offline. You will be getting half time to write the test, not full. So now next question, are you ready for the next one? Okay, now again short test but most intellectual type of answering. Ready for it? So now if somebody will ask you this question, secant theta minus tan theta, all these questions are asked in CBSE. Let's see how we are going to solve. This is secant theta plus tan theta. Then secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 minus 2 secant theta into tan theta. In most simplest way, try to solve. Okay, plus 2 tan square theta, and your time starts now. Don't convert it into sine and cos and waste your time. Don't waste your time. Time is very precious in board examination. These type questions means, yes. Science is in evening today, not now. We are preparing a special type of questions. Special type of questions we are preparing, and chapter by chapter we are doing. Time will be mostly late today because I am going to Kundram after that class only. Don't convert. Cos, no. Make it simple and make it best. See, all the questions, then trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities, everything like degree questions will be telling that LHS degree value, anything you will put. Some very typical questions I will show you how you can solve with these. And this is not at all a tough question. It looks, RHS made it very, very lengthy. But you know what? Once you will solve it, you will not at all find it difficult. Can I solve it? Now look here. LHS means, you see, count the number of steps, how much I am taking. Secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta, mark my word, plus tan theta. Now here, rationalize it, put bracket and write secant theta plus tan theta. If I write miss, it is crime. I'll write minus sin theta, rationalized. Secant theta minus tan theta. Till here it is done. Now what we are going to do? We will write only one small thing, that is secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta means secant theta minus tan theta whole square. And here secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta will become secant square theta minus tan square theta. And here with proud we will say that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is what? Secant theta and b is tan theta. Done. So now here this a minus b whole square formula you write. What is a minus b whole square formula? Secant square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 secant theta into tan theta. Remember, this is how many steps we have written? 1, 2. This is our third step. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. I rest my case. Done. Now look here. First, secant square theta minus tan square theta value is because of identity. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So this is done. So now, but our RHS is not still attended. So what work we are going to do? You see, minus 2 secant theta into tan theta, minus 2 secant theta into tan theta. But which is the criminal? 2 tan square theta. Again, one more time we will use the formula. That's it. So now look here, what we will write the last step. So instead of secant square theta, because secant square theta is missing in RHS. Check, in RHS, secant square theta is not at all there. So instead of secant square theta, instead of this person, secant square theta, can I write 1 plus tan square theta? Understood? So when I am writing 1 plus tan square theta, and here also tan square theta is there, and then minus 2 tan theta into secant theta is there, story over. Now it will become 1 plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta into secant theta, and that equal to RHS. That's it. So count how many steps we have taken. The first step, rationalization. The second step, common taking. Third step, killing. That's it. Understood. So you need to be very smart handling the question so that, okay, Maha, let me check. Presentation is good. Super. Yeah, this is what I'm wanting. Smart work. Don't become donkey. Okay. So now look here. Shall we go for some another shortest way to solve and best way to solve so that you can save time in board examination and give your best answers? Yeah, nice to see you back, sir. Super, very good. So now we are going to go for the next question. Get ready for it. If somebody will ask you this question, how you are going to respond? Check this one out. Where are the rest of the students? See, when I'm telling that evening also session will be there. Evening I'm planning for chemistry. 1 week full chemistry for finishing the entire syllabus of chemistry. Okay. Full chemistry 1 week. In 1 week, we are going to finish full set chemistry and then 2 back-to-back parallel examination to check you are passing the exam or you are going. So now look here. 1 plus sine theta whole square plus 1 minus sine theta whole square. Come on, go for it. I will not help you. Go for it on your own and solve the question. Cos square theta equal to, this question is a long back old question, came in board examination. So it will come to 1 plus sine square theta. You'll find these questions in many question banks. Okay. It's not like it's a very difficult question. Yes, Monkey Verma. Nice. This is good name for you. You deserve this name, Monkey Verma. Come on, go for it, please. Suddenly, what happened? Hey, what I have to search? Oh, that Baramati. Huh? Baramati name I have heard in some movie or somewhere I have heard about Baramati. Yeah, Baramati. Yeah, this is a very, I don't know why, but this is a known name for me. Somewhere I have heard about Baramati. Some story is there related to Baramati. Can you remind me history for Baramati? Is it about freedom fighting or it's about, I don't know, you just say. Any stories there related to Baramati means? I'm not interested to do politics, please. You solve, ma'am. Inna, sir. You're from DPS Durgapur. I'm from DPS Dhanbad. I'll check. I'm from Delhi Public School, Dhanbad. Nice. Now look here. How to solve it in shortest way. Our main focus should be to solve in the most shortest way. What attempt should we take to solve it in the most shortest way? How many questions I have given you? One, two, five questions today I gave you, no? Is this okay? I'll check one time when I'm solving right now. See here, this is the most easiest question, not at all expensive. Okay, yes, 8 questions. Now look here. LHS, dipsides are having their own type of temperament, correct? So now look here, 1 plus sine theta, we'll take LHS, 1 plus sine theta whole square plus 1 minus sine theta whole square. Huh? I hope so. Now Mansi auntie is responding. One day I punch her weight. So this is coming as 1 plus a sine square theta plus 2 sine theta, 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta by cos square theta. So this and this will cancel. Take common, it will become, what is that answer is? See, one line only I did. Only one line, LHS. You see, just wrote the question. This is question itself. So this will not be countable. My lord, this will not be countable. We are going to write from here. A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. Now it is coming to take common. It is coming as 1 plus sine square theta. And here cos square theta will become 1 minus sine square theta. So 2 and that is equal to RHS. Only one step I wrote. Only one step. Nothing did. We know that cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Only one step. Nothing else. A plus B, A square plus B square plus 2AB, A square plus B square minus 2AB, cut and then 2 take common, story over. Yes, what happened? Monkey. Vishwa, 1 minute. Hey, this is why 30 degree you are putting here. What is the need of putting 30 degree? Why? You can't put like that. You can't substitute value. Vishwa, don't do like that, please. Hmm. That was very easy. Shall we go for next one? Question is, get ready for the next question. This is just now 20 minutes over here. Why you are asking this question? Yeah, Kritika, I'm getting your answer, please. Next question is, Sine cube theta plus cos cube theta by sine theta plus cos theta. Plus come on, go for it, please. At least this question don't do like is this one step? How it will be? I don't know. You see. Tomorrow is a pre-board. What subject, sir, madam? Now look here, beta. This is a very easy question. For this question, you need to know the formula. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. So this is the formula. Okay. So A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. Now here it will become sine cube theta plus cos cube theta by sine theta plus cos theta. This is LHS plus sine theta plus cos theta. So now how we are going to solve this, beta? First work is this one will become what? Sine theta plus cos theta, then sine square theta. It is plus or multiplication only one time. Let me check. Oh sorry, here plus will not be this. Only I am getting why cos multiplication. It is multiplication. Huh? This is one mistake I did at the time of writing question. Sine theta plus cos theta. So here it is coming as A square plus B square minus sine theta into cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta. Denominator part check, please. Yeah, I'll also get the answer. Here this part will be there, and then here it is sine theta plus cos theta. This and this will get cancelled. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. Note, I need to check some steps because here it is minus. So minus sin theta into cos theta, it is coming as 1 minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta. And here you must write this one because we know that identity formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this part and this part will get cancelled. 1 is equal to RHS. So I think it is 2 steps only, not 1 step. Sorry, it is not 1 step question, it is 2 step question. Oh, you were correct. Then that's very, very good that you were correct, beta. We'll go for the next question. So this question you have to do it very carefully. Try this question out. Let's see how you are going to solve it. Yeah, no problem. So now here it is coming as sine A minus sine B by cos A plus cos B, cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B. This equal to 0. Prove it. Is it possible to prove? मैम आप बहुत चिल्लाती हैं, आप ज़्यादा अच्छी हो, वो फालतू में पर्सनल हो जाती। Thank you so much. Can I solve this? Thank you for giving me permission to solve the question. Now look here, beta. This is LHS. This into this we will do sin A minus sin B, and here sin A plus sin B. This part cross multiply cos A plus cos B. Now beta, you need to convert. So it will become sin square A minus sin square B plus cos square A minus cos square B. Okay. So now we know that cos square A is complement of sin square A. We can write like that. Now I will convert this one. It will become what? Sin square A will get converted into cos square A. Na? What it will become? It will become 1 minus cos square A. And this will become what? 1 minus cos square B plus cos square A minus cos square B by, don't touch denominator side, sin A plus sin B into sin A minus, sorry, cos A one minus cos square A minus 1 plus cos square B plus cos square A minus cos square B by sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B. So this and this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled. So 0 by sin A 0 by, this is faltu step I am increasing, directly 0 will become, you know that, sin A plus sin cos B, and that is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. Nothing did. Only one part finally converted and solved. Yeah, Maha, I am checking your note, please. Okay, super. Good. Kritika, Maha, I saw your answer. Why you are in tension? You should be very happy now. You are solving it nicely. I'm in tension. Student is telling he is getting very tension. Are you getting tension? I'm lunchtime. 5 minutes more, after that I'll give break. After that night we will meet. Last question. Get ready, please. Do it very nicely. Sin theta plus secant theta whole square. Sin theta plus secant theta whole square. Cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square. Cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square equal to equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Chalo, start solving. Whole square. Come on, go for it, please. Start solving the question. Let's see. I'm seeing some of the answers given by students. Okay, Vishwa lunchtime asking. इसमें can I solve? Very simple question. Many times I've solved this question for you people. Okay, you want to try? Try. Tan and cot. Let's check. One plus secant theta into cosecant theta is there. Cos plus secant cosecant theta, sine and secant theta is there. Correct only. Now what is the problem? Can't solve. See, make it simple. Don't take panic. Solve it. Check this one out. How to solve this question? See, first LHS, this is sine theta plus 1 by cos theta, okay, cos theta plus 1 by sine theta whole square. Now a plus b whole square theta, sine square theta plus cos 1 by cos square theta plus 2 sine theta by cos theta, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, trust me. Here this one and this one take together. This is second step, sine square theta, cos square theta. Now you take this one and this one together, 1 by sine square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. And now you take this and this together. It is coming as 2 sine theta into cos theta plus 2 cos theta into sine theta. Done? So now here you see, this part will become what beta? 1. And this part will become sine square theta plus cos square theta by sine square theta into cos square theta plus 2 take common. It will become sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sine theta. Understood? Once you have written till here beta, wherever sine square theta plus cos square theta is there, it will become 1 sine square theta into cos square theta plus 2 cross multiply, it will become sine square theta plus cos square theta by sine theta into cos theta. Done? Done beta. Now you check. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is coming as 1. 1 plus cosecant square theta into secant square theta plus this one will become again 1 and it will come 1 by 1 into 2 means 2 by sine theta into cos theta. So it is 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 secant theta into cosecant theta, because 1 by sine theta is cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So this part will become 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta whole square equal to RHS. Okay, done. No, no, no. Done. Now you understood how to solve this question? I'm moving so that you can note down. See, like this pattern question means, Maha, did you understood, realize how to solve this question? Before solving, you need to send. Yeah, I keep waiting. Like How many pages there? Okay, we are going to keep it till here. Now understood, na? Yes. Simple, yeah. Just convert it into sine and cos. Here I convert into sine and cos, and just use a plus b whole square formula and solve. That's it. Okay, we'll meet in evening. Okay, bye everyone.